Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a hug in a box, otherwise known as Happy Mail. It's from Melissa at It's a Stroke of Life, and it has a train on it, and it's very heavy. Let's open it. Hi, Marna and Darren. Hope you are feeling better, Marna. I think I mentioned my husband works for a railroad. How cool is that? And I thought maybe you and Darren might be interested in these. They are actual spikes used to put in the wooden ties of the track. The thinner one was used and the bigger one was new. Hope you don't think it's strange. I thought you would like them. Not at all. We're thrilled. Also, the train embroidery is one of my first I made on my new machine. Oh, congratulations, Melissa. How exciting. I left it big in case you might want to use it for one of your dolls. If you can, you really should get an embroidery machine. Darren has been trying to talk me into one for years. It also sews and I don't have to use the foot pedal, just a button pushed. So neat. Thanks for all you do and give to the community. I am so glad you make me feel a part of a friendship. You are part of this. Toodles, Melissa. She always says Toodles. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my God, that's gorgeous. I love the contrasting blue and gray. Thank you so much. Yes, I love that. I'm going to take the camera and let Darren open this.
Okay, so we knew the box was heavy. We wondered what could she have possibly sent that weighed this much.
And it's all wrapped so nice. Oh, how cool.
Oh, that is cool. Wow, I see. Okay, so this is the one she was saying was previously used, and this is a new spike. How cool is that?
Hold that other one up again. I didn't have it in focus very good.
How cool is that?
Yeah, we don't have any new ones, do we?
No. And Melissa, you'll have to tell us where approximately this was from. That would be cool to know.
What
railroad
lines?
or line or location, something like that. That is so cool. I often see people who make knives out of railroad spikes, and I always wonder, where do they get railroad spikes from? It's like, that's pretty cool. Oh, look, it has writing on the end. I don't know if that's just a manufacturing code or an age.
That is very cool. Thank you so much, Melissa. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Thanks.